Hi everybody, Mark Canik here once again. In this video presentation we're going to be talking about ABBY. ABBY is an ambient activity technology that's mounted to the wall, fixed to the wall in a care facility. ABBY is meant to be ambient, just there in the environment, available to residents on a 24/7 basis. It is familiar, nostalgic, so that it's recognizable to residents. Understanding that people who live with dementia will to some degree retain implicit memory, they'll lose explicit memory, we're still able to pet a cat or turn a steering wheel or flip a switch. So ABBY utilizes this by capitalizing on the remaining abilities of the individual living with dementia. So for example, when I pet a cat, I'll be presented with different types of images that might be meaningful to me. If I turn a steering wheel, I'll be presented with a driving experience. I can flip switches to get video content back. I can turn a radio and activate a TV. So ABBY operates in two modes. It's always operating in what we call ambient or community mode, so that anyone interacting with ABBY will get some type of media response back when activating. However, what we think is unique about ABBY is its ability to provide personalized information. So in this example right now, I am Mandy, and I am an 84-year-old Cantonese lady. I have lost my ability to speak English, and I've reverted back to my first language, Cantonese. So I'm now going to turn the volume up on ABBY. So when I interact with ABBY, so this is personalized to be able to trigger a memory in me. This is a picture of me when I was a young lady. These are song selections that I would have heard growing up as a young lady. These are TV and video selections of what I would have watched growing up as a young lady. So for more information about ABBY and how ABBY works, I look forward to chatting with you during this event, or please visit our website at ambientactivity.com.